Hello and good morning to everyone over at Lamp and Light Electric. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I want to get this custom video sent over to you guys showing how you can start to increase traffic to your guys' website and turn that traffic into actual paying customers. A few things we're going to go over here is your guys' website build, what it entails and what it may need in order to start growing an online presence in the ranks online, as well as how we can do that, right? Not to mention, we're also going to go over quickly the Google My Business portion of the search engines. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We have your guys' website. Love it. First thing first we see is, I would assume, a project you guys have done. Other than that, your guys' website doesn't have a whole lot to it. You have a little bit of content right here. You have a contact us form, which is good, and then a send button. I am not seeing any services, so it's kind of hard to tell what you guys offer, other than the fact, right at first looks, it appears you guys are mainly a commercial lighting and electric sort of company, right? So the message is kind of unclear. But not to mention, I'm not here to sit and judge your guys' website. We're trying to figure out how we can get more customers to it, right? So a few things that it needs is content, right? The average homepage should have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content in it, and not just any kinds of content, but keyword-rich content. We can figure out what kinds of keywords that we want to be targeting using a tool like this. This is considered my tool called Arrows. This is a paid tool that we use. It gives us a good guideline. There's free softwares and free versions out there that you guys can use at your discretion. Google has one as well, but this gives us a good guideline of where you guys are sitting. Currently, you have 106 backlinks, 40 referring domains that are hosting those backlinks, and 0 organic keywords. These keywords are going to be huge for you guys. And one way we can compare your keywords and your backlinks is actually taking your top competition in your area. As of right now, Jeremy, is sitting at the top of the ranks on Google. So we are going to take their website, copy and paste it into here, and see what kind of numbers are possible once we start adding backlinks and keywords and SEO into our marketing. 2.2 thousand organic traffic to their website right now. Currently, they're targeting 2,000 keywords right now that are bringing a massive search volume. We want to be using keywords like local electricians. That's 8,800 searches every single month that could be going to your guys' site. But because you guys don't have them right now, you're missing out on potentially thousands or tens of thousands of searches every single month because you guys don't have these keywords. The list goes on and on and on for great keywords that we want to find, right? So we want to go out and look for these really high volume, low KD keywords and start putting those into our site so we can start ranking. So that way you guys become position number 1 or 2 or 3 for these, all of these awesome, relevant keywords. Not to mention, we also want to do the same thing for our backlinks. We want to go and figure out, you guys only had 110 backlinks. Let's see what they're doing. Need my morning coffee here. While this loads. They have 2.3 thousand backlinks. Same thing. We want to go and figure out, hey, you're probably wondering, Josh, what are backlinks? What are good backlinks, right? Good backlinks that we want are do follow backlinks that are citations. Citations are anywhere online that your website, your business name, your address, your phone number is anywhere. It could be a Yelp page. It could be a Facebook page. It could be a BBB post, anywhere, right? We also want guest posts, something like this, an expertise.com. Guest posts are kind of expensive to get. They are. I have to pay to get them, but they're really powerful backlinks that'll draw a lot of power to your site. So, same thing as the keywords, right? We want to go through, figure out, hey, what do these guys have for backlinks? How do we go get them? Where do we sign up to get them? What do we have to pay to get them? And we want to go out and figure out every single one of them. And that is considered SEO. That is the back end sort of stuff, right? And not to mention, I also said we're going to go over quickly the Google My Business portion of it, right? So when we type in electrician, Kansas City, Missouri, we get this. This pops up right here, the Google Business Map Pack or Google My Business Map Pack, whatever you guys want to call it. First thing we see is Google Ads, Google Guaranteed Ads. These are great. These are a fast way in order to get to the top ranks of Google. That way people are seeing you right away. You don't have to do it organically, but it gets you to the top and it costs something. Or we can do it a little bit more organically and figure out, hey, what's our top competition doing, right? Jeremy, right now, they're doing 359 reviews. You guys currently have 20, right? We want to make sure that All of our pictures are optimized to save with keywords. We want to make sure that all of our about pages or all of our reviews, everything that is on here is optimized properly to what these guys are doing. If they're in the top spots, we got to figure out why they're up there, right? And so we just got to take some time and figure out what they're doing that's working for them and how can we start applying it to us. So with that being said, everybody over at Lamp and Light Electric, again, my name is Josh Nelson. I hope you guys found this video useful in any way possible. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach back out to me. I'd be happy to answer them for you. But at the end of the day, it's a free informative video you guys get to use at your discretion. Just wanted to send it over and help you guys out. So with that being said, have a great day, guys. Thank you.